Hello everyone, I am Miss Rupali Ashok Meshram, Assistant Professor at Professor Ram Meghi Institute of Technology and Research, Bandera. I will tell you how to use Microsoft Word for mailing purpose. Before that, I will tell you some basic use of this Microsoft Word. The first is we can use this Microsoft Word for formatting any text. Let's see. I am taking two paragraph. Okay, now I will apply some formatting to this first paragraph. You can change the font theme. Okay, here I am taking the Arial black. Now you can change the alignment of this by using left, center, or just right. You can change the color of particular text. Here you can change color, any color. You can provide any color. Okay. Suppose I want to do this red one. Now if I want to highlight a particular sentence, suppose correct answer, then you can use the text highlight color. Okay. You can choose any color from this. Next is if I want to suppose this, if I want to bold, it is already bold, that's why. Okay. Now next, if I want to apply the same formatting of this sentence to second paragraph, then what you have to do, you have to select this word. Actually this is in a Arial black with the 11 font size. Now here I am selecting that all the word replies and I am clicking on font painter. After that I am selecting that second paragraph. See, now this second paragraph is in Arial black with the size 11, right? If I want to change the font, again the style, font style also, Times New Roman, Times New Roman. Okay, if I want to apply the bold, then you can bold it. You can apply the italic style, underline, and okay. Now if I want to insert any table, then you have to go to insert, then you have to select table. Here you can add the table manually, or this is first option, or other way you can add table, insert table. If I want column as a 6 and rows 7 rows, then you have to click on OK. Create a second table. Okay. You can add room number or then address. Okay. Then second is hyperlink. Okay. If I want to do any hyperlink to a particular font, if I want to provide the hyperlink to this word, okay, you have to select that word, then you have to click on the hyperlink. Okay. Now I want to give the link of thank you letter to this sentence, sorry, to this text. Now look at here, it is linked with the thank you letter document. Okay. Now for this to view this or to click on this, you have to select view option, then full screen reading. When I am clicking on this clarification, it will open thank you later document. Okay, I just close this one. Close this one. Then next is you can add the header and footer. How to add this header and footer? You have to click on header, then type document, caps lock, PRMIT and on Nera. You can change the format of this text and increasing the font size and giving the font color. When we create the second page, it automatically take the header. If I want to add the footer, then in insert you have to select the footer option, then in footer this is the page number, first page, this is first page our, okay, that will take the first, then second, then the second. Okay. Likewise you can format your you can add footer and header. Now this page layout, here the first is orientation. This is first page. There are two, actually now it is in portrait, you can use the landscape. You can select any page size, it was A4, the orientation as a portrait. Then if I want to this page in a 2 rows, then you have to use this option, and the text is in 2 rows. Actually it is used to create IEEE papers or any papers. Then you can add the border by using this option, page border. Okay. Apply any 3D. Then next is our main point, that is mailing. Okay. Actually it is most important and interesting point of Microsoft Word. Actually every faculty or a student require this mailing tab. First is envelope. If you want to create a customized envelope, whether for a personal or professional use, you can use this envelope option. Okay. Just you have to click on envelope, then you have to insert the information. First is delivery address. Here I'm adding one address XYZ, then Amravati with the pin code 601. Okay. Now here you have to add the return address. Okay. Now return address, that is your source address. I'm adding my name, Meshram, PRMIT and R. Bandera, Amravati, 60. Fine. Okay. Now there are so many options. You can directly print the envelope, or there is one option This is you can change the font style of deliver and return address. You can select the printing options also on a front side or a back side. Okay, and when we click on the add to document, if I want to check my envelope, you can use the preview option or you can add to document. There's a message, do you want to save the new return address? Yes, I want to. Then look at this is your envelope. Okay, the size of this page is just like your envelope, okay, with the source and destination address. Now you can format this for source address and increasing the size, font size and color of that. Okay, this is envelope. Okay, likewise you can create your envelope. Then next is start mail merging. Okay, for this I will take another example. I have one sample letter, thank you letter for all the participants. Here I have to add the participant name with their college name, address and pin code. Okay. If we have the participant 500 participant, then I have to create this thank you letter for 500 times. Okay, but it is not means it is a critical job to create 500 letters. Okay. Actually it means you can add the name individually. You have to add the name of that particular participant in this thank you letter, and then you have to print out the letters. But there is a solution that is provided by the Microsoft Word, that is mailing. You can add the participant name by using start mailing, but before that, look at this is my Excel sheet. In that Excel sheet, this all participant names with the other information, college name, address and pin code is available. Okay, I just want to print this all participant thank you letter. I have to print out the thank you letter for this all participant. I am using the start mail merging. Here you have to click on the mail merging. You have to select the options later, because this is later, it is not label or envelope or mail. Here I am selecting the later. Okay, now there is a second option. You have to use the part means from where you have to add the data. Now first option is type a new list. If I don't have any existing data, you can create your own data, but I already have that Excel sheet data. Okay, so directly use the use existing list. From that, my file is present on desktop, thank you later. From that, my data is present in sheet 1. That's why I'm selecting. You can select any sheet, but my data is present in sheet 1. That's why I'm using that one. Okay. Now you can check whether the file is linked with Excel sheet is linked with your Word file. So you have to select insert merge field. Now see, it has a fields like our Excel sheet. Actually, first field is serial number, then name of participant, college name, address and pin code. Same insert merge field contain the same information. Okay, One by one we are adding the information. Firstly, in name I want name of participant. Okay. Then in college name I want college name. Then address, I'm adding address, and lastly pin code. Okay. Now the first participant name is Ganvir, Aishwarya Ganvir with PRA Matiyar, Bandera Amravati 444601. We see you can preview the later. You have to click on this preview result. The first participant is Aishwarya Ganvir, right? Okay. Now see the second participant is Shubham Deshmukh. Here you have to select second, that is Shubham Deshmukh. Okay. If I want to check, okay, last one is Dipesh Dekate, that is on 43. Okay. It create all the one by one. I am changing the participant name, all the changes. Okay. 43, last is Dipesh Dekate, right? Okay. Just take only 5 minutes to create a thank you letter for 43 participants. Okay. Likewise, you can create any letter for number of persons. Now, lastly, you have to finish this mail merging. When we click on the finish and merge option, first option is edit individual document, second is print document. You can directly print out all the documents, means all the letters, or if I want to edit some information, then you can choose the edit individual documents. Here you want to edit the current one or all the, or if I want to see all the documents, all the records, then you have to click on the all, then OK. Let's see, it create all the thank you letter. On the thank you letter. It is really easy. Within some minute you can create any sample or one letter or one envelope. You can print one letter or envelope for so many peoples. If I want to print out the same letter for 1000 participants, then you can print it, but just we require the data set of that particular participants. Or if I don't have any data set, you can add by using type new list. Okay, and hope so you can create you can create your own thank you letter by using this mail merging. Thank you.